Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is how I make the Slimming World chips. Step 1. Peel and chop. Now I've already peeled the potatoes and I'm using my little gadget here that I purchased from the range. It was only £7, so it's quite handy because you get the nice exact cut looking chips. So I literally just peel a load of potatoes and then I pop it in my little machine here. And I'm doing this one-handed as well, so that's just how easy it is. And then you just push it down and out pops your potato that's cut into nice even chips, which is what we want when we're cooking Slimming World chips. Step 2, I then just chuck them in a pan of hot water, make sure it's boiling for around 5 minutes. This just sort of gets them so that they're going to be nice and crispy, I think. But yeah, so I just chuck them in there for 5 minutes. Step 3. Once they've come out of the pan, I just put them on the side and let them cool down. And then I season with salt and with pepper and fry light. This is so that, again, they get nice and crispy and you want a bit of flavour there as well. I'm just going to pop my camera up here so you can see what I'm doing. So first of all, I've already sprayed them with the fry light, so now I'm going to pop some salt on there and then some pepper as well. And then I give them a little bit of a shake, and then I just like to add a bit more pepper as well because I like my chip seasons. Now my secret ingredient to making the best Slimming World chips, because as we know herbs and spices are pretty much free, I use smoked paprika on my chips, and it's only from Tesco's, and I literally sprinkle this over. Sometimes I use a spicy paprika if you fancy some spicy chips, but the smoked paprika is just as yummy, and it gives them a little bit of colour as well. So again, I just shake them up. And sometimes I do pop these in the freezer as well. So I do this stage and then pop them in the freezer, and then it's easy for when you're out and about. And that's the chips done. Okay, so step 4, I pop them in the oven for 30 minutes on 180. And there we have it, my lovely chips which I've made for my Slimming World lasagna. And they're literally so tasty and yummy and crunchy and crispy. And just perfect. Bit crazy, isn't it, really, that they're free? Join me on Instagram as well, guys, and remember to subscribe.